Hello and welcome to this video. Today we're talking about check-in process in Shenzhen Air. So friends, this is airline China. All you have to do, go to Google, search for Shenzhen Airlines, and then you will see this page. Scroll down, click the first result. You will see this page. Click on here, my book or flight states. So friends, go to flights and then you have different option actually. Just write your select check-in, go to flight state. From the flight state, write by number, write your number of a flight here, and then click on the search. So if you want to check in online, click my booking. When you click my booking, click your ticket number, and then click your flight number PNR, and then input your flight number as I say. After that, click search. This is how you can do to check in. Just go to my bookings, fill your all details from here, and then click search. So friends, this is actually easy steps. I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget, give like and give share this video for more content, and see you on another video soon. Choose ticket number here and then write your surnames and flight number here to check process on